Leisure day today. Chores this morning. Ooh, look at that thing. Little TLC on this thing today. Had a couple issues I needed to fix, overheating and whatnot. Man, that thing looks good. Almost needs like its own little montage. Not really though. I was just kidding. So, probably seen the thumbnail. Chuck got him a new hot rod. So we're gonna hit the lake, go yeah, just try it out, test it out, have a little fun. He's got some stuff he needs to do on the lake. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
We'll come over in the morning, we'll like hook up, we'll go surf, and then we'll go ride and have lunch, and then maybe like drink some beer and maybe surf. And then movies in the evening. Yeah. That sounds like a badass. Right, I mean, if you come over to those, that's a great thing.
Always a good time hanging out with my boy Chuck. Guess I don't know, this video didn't really do much. I guess I'll give you one little piece of advice. If you want more in life, if you want more than what you currently have, material wise, relationship wise, whatever it is, if you want more out of life, hang around those folks that inspire you and lift you up. If you have friends that are like negative, telling you can't do certain things, you need to get rid of those friends. You need to find friends that lift you up. Friends that will inspire you to do big things. Negative. No successful person is negative. Well, very few successful people are negative. So anyway, as always, thank you for joining me. I'll see you guys some more this week. Go do work, son.